Hello everybody, welcome to GSE Pathshala Social Science, Social and Political Life. Chapter 2 is Role of Government in Health. See, that day we have seen the role of government in health. Basically, what is health? See, all of us would like to be active and in good spirits in whatever we may be doing. See, whatever work we are doing, we always feel that we should be active and in with good spirit we can do the work. But whenever the word health is coming, what is coming in our mind at first time? Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. We are free from any illness or injuries means we are healthy, we are considering. But many factors are working related to our health. Government is working, but certain things are there because of that the health problems are there. So how government plays its role that we are seeing in this chapter. Now what is health? Just now we have discussed about what is health. Very first, when the health word is coming, the thing coming in our mind is means health means free of illness and injuries. Our body should be free of illness and injuries, that is health. That type of meaning is coming in our mind. Now see here the story of is given, the cost of a cure. See, Aman and Rajan are good friends. See, two friends are there, Aman and Rajan. While while Rajan comes from a well-to-do family, Rajan is from a well-to-do family, means he is little bit rich, and Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends to meet. And Aman's parents are struggling too much, then only they are getting the regular basic needs. They are fulfilling the basic needs. So Aman parents are poor little bit, and who is the another fellow? Rajan is from the rich family. Now see, one day what happened? Hi Aman, good to see you back. How have you been? I had viral fever and had to go to the hospital. Now Aman said, after some days Aman came, so Rajan was asking that how you are feeling now. So Aman said that I had a viral fever and I had to go to hospital. Oh, me too. Then what Rajan is saying that me too got back to school on Monday. My daddy took me to see the doctor at the new hospital in Kingsway. It was very exciting. Now Rajan is from well-to-do family, so he told that I also went to hospital. My father took me to a hospital, very nice, very good hospital it was. Now Rajan was saying what he experienced. The building looked so posh. I thought it was a five-star hotel. See, the building of the hospital was a very posh, and it was looking like a five-star hotel. Daddy said that was because it was a private hospital with the best of the facility. But and he was surprised to see that much good building of the hospital. So he asked something to his daddy. Then his daddy told that this is a private hospital. This is a private hospital with the best facilities. Here all the best modern facilities are available. Daddy had to pay 500 at the reception counter itself before we even meet the doctor. So now what Rajan is saying, before we met the doctor, we said something to the doctor. We have not seen the face of the doctor. Before that, only on the reception counter we have to pay 500 rupees. There was nice music playing and everything was really clean and shiny. The light music was playing there and everything was very clean and neat and shiny. Now the doctor, now afterwards they went to the doctor. This the Rajan is talking about the private hospital where he went. The doctor asked for many tests, but everyone was friendly. Or doctor asked for many tests, blood tests, many other tests are there. So doctor asked for many tests, but whenever where they went for any test, the persons were very polite and they were talking very nicely and friendly. The lady who took my blood for testing told me so many jokes that I forgot to feel the pain. The lady who was taking the blood sample for the blood test, she was also very good in nature. She told many jokes to Rajan, so he forgot the pain also. And so, young men, the pink pill should be taken 3 times a day and the white tablets once before bedtime. That is for the body ache. This one is a syrup. Don't worry, it's tasty. So the person who is giving the medicine, who is guiding for the medicine, how Rajan has to take the medicine. He was also very good in talking, and he was saying that this syrup is also very good, very tasty. Don't worry, time to time you attend and take your medicines like that. Now, after that, you see, I have been doing to tell you all the about it, but about you, which hospital did you go to? Now Rajan is saying that I am saying all my things to you, but now which hospital you went, Aman, you just tell me. And it oh, it wasn't as nice as yours at all. So what Aman is saying, the hospital where I went, that hospital was not as nice as you. He told that Rajan that you went to a private hospital, that was very good, but where I went, my hospital was not as nice as you. At first Abba didn't want to take me because he said it would take too much time. See, very beginning thing, his father was thinking that if I will take the Aman to the hospital, then there would be a too much time taking procedures, and he has to waste the day, and he can't earn much more money. So like that, and it is really did. We went to a big government hospital. Then father took him to the government hospital. We had to wait in a long queue at the OPD center. It was feeling too sick that I had to lean on Abba all the time. See, now at last the critical condition was that he was not feeling well at all. So father took him to the government hospital. There the OPD was there, and for that OPD they have to stand for a big line to take the case paper or whatever entry form or whatever you are counting. Therefore that they have to stand in a big line. And then the sick Aman was very feeling very sick, so he can't stand also. Continuously he is leaning on his father, means वो उसके father के support पे ही खड़ा था, वो खड़ा भी नहीं रह पाता रहा था. Then also he has to stand, his father has to stand in a queue. When our turn came, the doctor examined me and asked for a blood test. See, doctor examined Amman and asked for the blood test. Then we had to go and stand in another long queue. For the blood test also they have to stand for a long queue. People were crowding around him and the testing room too. And in the they have to stand for a long queue for the blood test also, testing also. And in the when the doctor is taking the blood sample, at that time also the crowd is there and many people are standing on their head. We got the test results after 3 days, and after 3 days they got the test result and went back to the hospital. There was a different doctor that day. See, after 3 days they got the report, and when they went to meet the doctor was not there, another doctor was there. He seems to be suffering from a bout of viral fever. Nothing to worry about. All needs is this one fever reducing medicine. Now the another doctor was there, and the doctor told that the viral fever was there and nothing to worry, only this fever reducing tablet you take, you will feel better. My hospital was nice, but they gave many medicines and whole things cost quite lots. But now what Rajan is saying, okay, you went to such type of hospital, the things are not proper. But in hospital where I went, there I have to spend a lot of money and they gave me many of the medicines. Okay, my treatment did not cost much. At the same time, about Aman is saying, okay, my treatment did not cost much, means उसकी treatment में ज़्यादा costing नहीं हुआ था. Now, healthcare services. See, we can roughly divide up various healthcare facilities in two categories. See, healthcare facilities can be divided into two categories. From this story, what we can conclude that the healthcare facilities should be divided into two groups: public health services and private health services. See, where Rajan went, that is the private health facilities, and where Aman went, that is the public health services. Now, public health services. The public health services is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by government. See, public health services is a chain of health center and hospitals run by government. Now, so you see, in each town, in small village, big cities, all the place government hospitals are there. That is the chain of health centers by the government. They are linked together, so they cover both rural and urban areas and can also provide treatment to all kinds of people. from common illness to special services. Now they are working in such a way that rural area also and urban area also both can get the facilities and all can get the treatment for the common illness or for any special services if they need. At the village level there are health centers where this is used, where there is usually a nurse and the village health worker. See, in village area what is there, village level health centers were there. In village level where health centers were there, where a nurse is available and a health workers are available. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctor at the primary health center. They are trained. See, nurse and worker were there, but both are trained and they are under the supervision of the doctor. They are under the supervision of the doctor at the primary health center. Such center can covers many villages. See, primary health centers can cover many villages in rural area. At the district level, the district hospital that also supervise all the health center. District level, district hospitals are there and it district hospital is there and it supervises all the health centers. Large cities have many government hospitals, such as one where Aman was taken, and also specialized government hospitals such as ones in Hakim Sheikh's story. See, like that, the chain of government is making the chain of health centers are there. See what it is given at village level. There are health centers with nurse and health worker. They are trained and under the supervision of the primary health center. Such centers covers, the primary health centers cover many villages of rural area. At district level, what is there? District hospital is there that also supervise all the health centers. District hospital supervise all the health centers also. After that, large cities have government hospitals. Large cities have government hospitals where also you can get all the proper facilities. This is public health service, that is the chain of health centers or hospitals run by government. Now, the health service is called public for many reasons. In order to fulfill its commitment providing health or care to all citizens, the government has established these hospitals and health centers. See why the public it is given? Because in order to fulfill its commitment for providing health care to all citizens. For all citizens it is there. Any citizen can go to that hospitals. The government has established these hospitals and health centers. Also, to resource needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. Whatever taxes we are paying, from that they are getting the money to run this type of health centers. Hence, such facilities are meant for everyone because all are paying tax. So, these facilities are for all the people. One of the most important aspect of public health system is that it is meant to provide quality healthcare services either free or at a low cost. See what happens in these health systems. One of the main important aspect of this health system, what is that? Because they provide quality health services either free or at a low cost, so that even poor can get the treatment. Another important function of public health is to take action to prevent the spread of disease such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, etc. See, another important public health is to take action for another function. What is the important function? They have to take care for the people. They take care to prevent the spread of disease. To take care to prevent the spread of disease such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, all these diseases should not spread. They should make aware the people, citizens about how to take cure for such type of disease, how this disease should not spread, what type of precautions they should take. About that they are doing the campaigns. They are going from one place to another place and they are giving personal guidance also, information also related all the things. Now recall the case of Hakim Sheikh. Would you like to know what the court said in this case? See, in Hakim Sheikh case, he went in the court that none of the government hospital took proper care and he has to suffer. So now what court has done? According to our constitution, it is primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide healthcare facilities to all. The government must safeguard the right to life of every person. See, primary duty, according to the constitution, it is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide healthcare facilities to all. All the people should get the proper healthcare facility. That is the primary duty of government as per the constitution. The government must safeguard the right of life of every person. The court said that the difficulty that Hakim Sheth had to face could have cost him his life. If hospital cannot provide timely medical treatment to a person, it means that this protection of life is not being given. Means hospitals are not providing proper facility, means the hospital protection means it is life is not being given. The court also said that it was the duty of the government to provide necessary health services. See, 2-3 places what happened, the hospital fellow told that we are not having facilities, so we cannot take your case. So it is the duty of government that government should provide the proper facilities for the treatment in emergency situations. Hospital and medical staff must fulfill their duty of providing the necessary treatment, and hospital staff should be also ready to provide the facilities, treatment to the person. Hakim Sheth was denied treatment at various government hospitals. Therefore, the court asked the state government to give him money that he had spent on his treatment. So, he is ready to take treatment in the government hospital, but at a government hospital from 7 to 8 places he went, but he didn't get any proper treatment. So at last he was admitted to a private hospital, and after he got all the things covered, he filed a case in the court that I went in the government hospital, but they were not ready to give me the proper treatment. They denied to give me the treatment. So at last the court is given his words, and what this court judgment came that state government has to pay bill to Hakim Sheth whatever he paid in the private hospital, and Hakim Sheth got the treatment bill, medicine bill of the private hospital what he paid from the state government. Now, private health facilities. There is a wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics. See, large number of doctors are there and they are running their private clinics. In the rural area, one finds registered medical practitioners, RMPs. Registered medical practitioners, RMPs. Urban areas have a large number of doctors. See, in rural areas, one finds registered medical practitioners, RMPs. Urban areas have a large number of doctors, many of them providing specialized services. There are hospitals and nursing homes, and that are privately owned. There are many laboratories that do tests and offer special facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. There are also shops from where we buy medicines. As the name suggests, private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. See, as the name only, you can understand that private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. Unlike the public health services, in private facilities, patients have to pay a lot of money for every service that they use. For each and every service what they are using, they have to pay much more. People have to pay much more. Today, the presence of private facilities can be seen all around. In fact, now there are large companies that run hospitals, and some are engaged in manufacturing and selling medicines. Medical shops are found in every corner of the country. So now we have seen about the private health sector, private health facilities and public health facilities. Now we will see further in this chapter for the healthcare inequality. For the healthcare inequality, we will see further in this chapter. Thank you.